Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video because I told you guys in one of my previous videos if it gets to 5,000 likes I would do a glam dining room makeover for the holidays, so here it is. If you're new here, welcome. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you can be notified when I upload my next video. First, I want to thank ShopTagger for sponsoring this video. If you don't know what ShopTagger is, it's a web app that notifies you through email when an item you want goes on sale. To download ShopTagger, all you have to do is hit the download button and it will bookmark to your computer. During Black Friday, I saved items that I really wanted and I was notified immediately. I have really been enjoying ShopTagger because it helps me save money and I can make a list of whatever it is I've been eyeing so I won't forget about them later on. I went to Z Gallery website to show you one of my favorite items I got last year on sale. It's these beautiful large glitter deers that I have on my table. I wouldn't have bought them full price and they were on sale, so I had to pick them up, and you can too by downloading ShopTagger so you can get notified immediately when they go on sale because they will go quick. There are things that I really want that aren't on sale yet, so I save them into my ShopTagger account and organize them by list. You can do a home decor, fashion, or beauty list. This also helps you to stay organized with your shopping. You can also get notifications if you download their app on your phone. Make sure you use ShopTagger for upcoming holiday and post-holiday sales. Take full advantage of this because it's free. I'll leave their link in my description box so you can download them. Thank you so much ShopTagger for sponsoring today's video. Now let's go ahead and get into the dining room holiday makeover. Grabbing a holiday card I purchased last year, I'm going to cut out the message in the card to put inside a Dollar Tree mirror frame, and I'm going to place it in front of each table setting. You can add whatever message you want to any kind of frame from the Dollar Tree. They have gold, silver, that would look beautiful too. Next, I'm going to make snowflake napkin rings. I got these from the Dollar Tree and this is very simple but looks gorgeous just like I bought it in store. You can add whatever ornaments you want for your napkin rings. I like how convenient these DIYs are because they're done in less than a minute. I know with the holidays around the corner you're really busy getting things done, so my goal was to make things easy here but beautiful, like you took the time to go out and purchase these things. These are a set of 3 mini silver gift bags I want to put on each plate for goodie bags for my guests as a thank you for coming. You can fill it with candy, homemade desserts, or whatever you have in mind. I got this wreath from Hobby Lobby for $5 and you can make this using items from the Dollar Tree. I've made several wreaths before. I'll leave them linked below if you want to see them how I made it for each season. I needed a bigger wreath for my dining room mirror, so that's why I went ahead and purchased this one, and it would have been about the same money to make it using things from the Dollar Tree, so I just went ahead and went with this one. I wanted my napkin rings to match the wreath, so I grabbed 4 snowflake ornaments and glued them on the wreath. Since there's a lot of glam on the table, I didn't want the wreath to take away from the table because that's the focal point. I'm going to show you how I style 2 table settings. I made the holiday candle and napkin ring from a previous video that I will leave in the description box so you can see how I made it if you're interested. Here's how everything turned out. It's so glam, so affordable using many things from the Dollar Tree. I used the silver rim plate, napkins, the napkin rings, gift bag, plastic silverware, mirror frames, snowflake tea light holders are all from Dollar Tree. The glam table setting could also be used really beautifully for New Year's. Adding mini photo frames on your table with messages warm up the table and let people feel welcomed and loved. You can do what I did and cut out messages from cards or make your own and print them out. I like the touch of red in my table for the holidays. I'm so excited with how everything turned out. I love how glam it looks. The wreath is just what I envisioned it to be. You can use command hooks to mount it on the mirror, and the centerpiece I already had purchased it from last year and I added candles in the middle. These stunning large tea are the ones I showed you from Tea Gallery. I wanted to show you a little close-up of all the sparkle they have. I would love to know what you thought about this tablescape and everything I used from the Dollar Tree. Would you use these ideas for your home? I like how the plate settings are all plastic, but they look expensive. You can find martini glasses and wine glasses at the Dollar Tree. We don't drink alcohol, but I love to fill these up with dessert, fruit, or any other kind of beverages. Have you guys finished decorating your table for the holidays? What colors did you decorate with? These snowflake tea light holders were such a great find because they're silver and they make the table show its winter season. Here I wanted to lay a tree topper from Dollar Tree on the plate for a glam festive look. I snapped it off the tree attachment part and I really like the way it looks on the table. Little things like this make it look like you put in so much money and effort to create a beautiful table. We went with a real tree because the smell is just divine and I added these crystal lights from Costco. I used 3 sets. I didn't want to decorate the tree, we just mainly wanted it for the smell in the dining room when you walk in. Here's an up close of the crystal lights. They are so beautiful. Last year I put them around the dining room mirror for the holiday season. Let me know if you saw that video. I hope you found these ideas helpful for your table and were inspired to create your glam tablescape on a budget. Don't forget to download Shop Tagger. The link is in the description box. This concludes today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and for all your continued love and support. We are past 180,000 subscribers, you guys, and I couldn't be more grateful. I started 2 years ago and here we are. I just thank God for this platform and all the blessings He has given me. May we always remember the true reason for this season, and that is because of Jesus. I'll talk to you guys soon in my next video. Take care.